Suitedash Project Management Tutorial. Suitedash tutorial and demo. So hello guys, so welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's explore our Suitedash over here and check out its different features. So Suitedash is for project management. As you can see here, it is features. It has so many features that I believe some other famous CRM platforms out there even get featured. So let's explore our different features here. So we have our main over here, which is our dashboard. The dashboard is not much, it's not that impressive, or rather, there's not much features you can see here aside from the template library and load and some videos over here, tutorials on how to use Suitedash and why you should use Suitedash. So let's explore its different features. So mainly, we have calendars here. So calendars are very important, especially for monitoring the schedules, of course, of our different projects, our different members, stuff like that. And even yourself, you can check out your calendar if there are assigned topics to you, assigned projects. You're able to monitor your own tasks on your own calendar over here. So the calendar is your personal record for your own different tasks. Here, as you can see, it's a typical calendar over here. We can check out appointments as well. So you can set up appointments through Suitedash over here. So let's say you have a meeting appointment and so on and so forth. So you can, and you'll be able to monitor it when an item is added. Here, you will be able to view the appointment type, post in date type, duration, and so on. There are different types of appointment types. So we can check them out here in the next page. So we can click on add appointment type here, which will allow us to create an appointment in our calendar. So put here an appointment type, this could be a meeting, and then you could put here some public descriptions as a message over here. So this is the message that will appear after this appointment is booked. An example, and you can also have some buttons here. Or book now. But the default value is book now if nothing is entered. And you could also assign some staff members here, assign event, type, and then you can also select staff members who will be notified. Select the colors and even have some icons. So let's say this is our appointment here, so let's click on skip. Redirect us back to our calendar. So now we should have an appointment type. Going the way over here. So we're selecting our schedule here. If the appointment type meeting has been created, we're going to have to set here's the like different available window for a meeting. You can modify different information over here, like duration of appointment, and so forth, how long will the meeting be. And give it some time to load, and there we go. Unable to save, see arrows below. So here, so you have to be careful with this stuff here because overlapping cause some issues. Here, by the way, we have duration of appointment. The length of time your appointment will be blocked on the calendar. Then over here, padding between appointments, start time intervals, and so on and so forth. Those are the different things we can check as well. After this, we can save this one. If we will be able to save it, then be able to successfully have an appointment. So check out our appointment over here. Let's see if it will be available in our appointment. We have an appointment type that we have created. We can also do some CRM over here where you will be able to manage CRM related tasks over here. So let's wait for it to load. So we will be able to add companies in this and monitor them. Add companies. Similarly, you could add contacts if you have, or if you want to add individuals directly. But if you want to do the entire company, so for example here, Qualicom, as an example, Then over here we have role. You could also add company logo. I think primary contact over here. So you could add a primary contact over here. So let's say it's the client itself, then they have their done. Then you could enter their information here. So done. Email done. Up. Go then on add here, and we will be able to add our primary contact. Then you have all other information over here that are very relevant in company. Just click on save after you enter all of those other information, and you should then be able to have a company list or a new company added to your CRM section. So now you could now monitor and check out the company and on the status, how it get a distribution with it, and so forth. You can also add some deals, events, add that you are monitoring. Also some office related features over here like creating invoices, expenses, estimate, proposal. It has a lot of general features as you can see, but if you are focused on our project management, oh, it would be more on our CRM here that we need to manage. And also, we're also able to manage different things under our project. So these are different deals here. So we can click on add a deal, and you can select different type of contract. For example, we're going to with welcome, and over here the bill name, and over here the text. Say we're trying to create a website design, then you want all pipeline, here. You can also now set a stage. So now this is like the deal that you're doing. Monitor when the deal has a specific stage reached. Let's go and check out some project related features over here. So we have project over here. This is where you will be able to create different types of projects that your team would be working on. Click on the project here. It's going to be very similar to the different UIs. Very similar. You guys might be like out, I guess, or annoyed with every section being a different page, so your browser is refresh very often. But anyway, this is where you're going to put all the information related to your project here, from project name to assigning it to teammates here, team project features, line here, up until the project out. You can also have timers over here for different tasks. If you have a specific task assigned to different users, you can add a timer here and assign it to someone. So, a Suitedash is a very wide app. So I don't think there's a lot of time or enough time to eventually but their features are very categorized neatly. So if it's about calendar, it's about here, CRM, here for the office, section, project, there, marketing, content, so that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.